What's going on, everybody? Here at Logan Martin, March 1st, 2025, for the Veterans Fishing Organization. Me and another veteran in the tournament, so hopefully we can get his biggest fish. I think it's you and me together.
Huh?
I think it's you and me together.
I hope so.
Ken, who you got me paired up with? I think it's Norbert. Yeah,
Norbert.
I thought I saw it on the other list.
What so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad streams and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we
Just had a hit. Yeah, hit it right up here close to the boat. Solid hits. Well, I'm near it. That brush pile. Well, I see it.
There you go.
Yeah.
Swing him in. There you go. Good job. You was right on the money.
What'd I tell you, coming off that brush pile?
It's a little largemouth.
I don't care if I catch a fish all day. You got one.
Good job, dude. I'm so happy.
Yeah, thank you.
I'm so happy.
Thank you.
I don't care. I don't care if I catch a fish all day as long as you catch
Wait a
one.
minute, wait a minute. Take the picture.
Yeah.
So he's a largemouth?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yep.
sure is.